Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay. I'm coming from Weitai Hydraulic. We all know the cylinders are widely used in our life. The industry covers agriculture, special vehicles, constructions, and transportation equipment. You will find all kinds of cylinders in different kinds of machines. In North America, there is an ASAE standard to define the dimensions of popular used cylinders. It makes the replacement and maintenance much easier for the end users. But there are still some OEM cylinders that are special designed and made for some very special application. Today, I would like to introduce these OEM cylinders. It is designed for boat lifting kit. It is welded construction, double acting. You will see the end mounting is cross tube. The dimensions of the tube is specially designed according to the customer's request. Here you will find the port. It is SAE port. It makes the hookup easier. The silver coating, it is the same to the color of the kit. Here are small details. Let's make the cylinders together.